Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today we are covering an amazing coenzyme called NAD+. What is that, you ask? NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is a coenzyme found in all living cells. It plays a crucial role in energy production, metabolism, and cellular repair. The most exciting part of this coenzyme is its critical role in aging, especially for those of us looking to avoid certain diseases as we get into our mid to later life time frames. NAD+ is the fundamental molecule that performs numerous biological reactions and is crucial for maintaining cellular homeostasis. Studies have found that it decreases with age in certain tissues. Also, age-related NAD+ depletion affects physiological functions and contributes to various aging-related diseases. Supplementation of NAD Plus precursor significantly elevates levels in murine tissues, effectively mitigates metabolic syndrome, enhances cardiovascular health, protects against neurodegeneration, and boosts muscular strength. Numerous studies of the functions of NAD+ have been conducted in animals, and the efficacy in clinical studies have been limited compared with that in the preclinical studies, but still showed significant benefits. Clinical studies in humans have demonstrated that NAD+ treatment efficiently increases levels in various tissues. Recent research suggests that NAD+ precursors play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier. Deficiency has been associated with enhanced gut inflammation and leakage and dysbiosis. Conversely, NAD+ increasing therapies may offer protection against intestinal inflammation in experimental conditions and human patients, with accumulating evidence indicating that such favorable effects could be, at least in part, mediated by concomitant changes in the composition of intestinal microbiota. Until recently, anti-aging therapies were limited to repairing the consequences of aging, but now there is clear evidence that aging can be targeted from its root, cellular cause, giving the opportunity to slow and even reverse aspects of aging. NAD+ restoration has been identified as a key therapeutic target that can positively impact many of the hallmarks of cellular aging. Not only does it play a key role in skin aging, but also demonstrates a great potential to improve multiple aspects of age-related decline across the whole body. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope we can help you or someone you care for. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos.